Hey folks, we are moving into week 7, and week 7 is the week that you will work on, finalize, and submit your midterm essay, your propaganda poster analysis. So you are all submitting a reservation request in the previous module to reserve the particular poster that you're interested in analyzing. I will review those requests on Thursday, and I will only contact you if there is some issue with your poster. The most common issue would be if you and someone else in the class requested the same poster. I want to make sure that the person who requested it first gets it, and then the other person can find another poster at that point. That's the most common thing that happens. Or sometimes someone will submit something that's not actually a poster, and then we'll have to have a conversation about that. But the majority of the time, the poster that you picked works, and then you spend the week working on writing and finalizing that essay. To help you out with that, one part of the essay, it is a research assignment. And so we are going to do Revel chapter 15, which is the finding and evaluating sources chapter, just as a refresher, and then also to clarify how we use sources to support our claims, credible audience-centered sources to support our claims in argumentation. You also have a self-reflection survey this week, so once you complete your midterm essay, you'll reflect on that experience. And then for those of you that were able to attend speech night, thank you for making that time in your schedule. If you want to complete your speech night review early, you can. There will be a link to that assignment in the module. If you want to wait till the actual week it's due, which is in the week 8 module, you can do that as well. And we have a later deadline for this assignment because sometimes it takes a while for us to get the video, which is what students who were not able to attend speech night will be watching and reviewing. In addition, if you went to speech night, but then you start the review survey and you realize, ooh, I did not actually jot down enough notes to answer this question, that's okay. You can wait until the video comes out. You can review those particular events, and then you can answer your questions at that point. You can submit that speech night survey multiple times. So if you start it and you realize, ooh, I don't actually have all of these answers, you can submit it, and then you can just come back and submit it later once the speech night video is published. So you're good to go right there. So that's really this week. This week primarily we're just focusing on this midterm essay, and then all of the assignments in the module help you be successful writing and then submitting that. And the final thing I want to do is address something that happened last week. So last week, Friday, an email was sent out by Steve Collins, who is the interim president at MJC, mentioning what the college's plan is, sort of mentioning what the college's plan is in the case of a faculty strike. For some of you, that email may have come as a complete shock. What is this faculty strike? I've heard nothing about it. For some of you, you may have faculty who have talked about this possibility in your classes. What I want to do at this point is I want to open up a conversation where if you have any questions about the possibility of a strike and how it would impact you, your classes, your learning, your grades, your goals, all of those things, I want to give you an opportunity to ask me those questions, and I will answer them to the absolute best of my ability based on what I know at this point. So you can put those questions as a reply to this announcement, and then I'll either answer them individually or answer them as a group. I care about you, I care about your success, and I want to be as open and transparent in these confusing times as possible. All right, hang in there. I hope you are having a wonderful week, and I look forward to reading your midterm essays.